Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In today's episode, we delve into the alarming report of rising drug costs, leaving a third of Americans unable to fill their prescriptions. We'll also be discussing Tesla's upcoming major tests before their much-anticipated Robo-Taxi unveiling. In tech news, Microsoft has alerted customers about a Russia-linked hack exposure. On the investment front, we'll explore why Berkshire, AIG, and PGR should be on your radar amid grim hurricane forecasts, according to CFRA. We'll also discuss Goldman Sachs' prediction on how Gen AI is set to impact online consumer habits extensively. In legal news, J&J talc claimants have lost their bid to block the company's bankruptcy bid, while Boeing is reportedly being pushed by the Justice Department to plead guilty. In market updates, Reynolds American introduces nicotine-free vapes in the U.S., and Nike shares slide after shocker results in our earnings scorecard segment. Stay tuned after this short ad break as we dive deeper into these headlines and more. The cost of prescription drugs has seen a significant increase of 37% between the years 2014 and 2024. This steep rise has led to 1 in 3 Americans not filling their prescriptions due to issues related to affordability, as reported by GoodRx Holdings. Furthermore, insurance plans are providing coverage for fewer medications. Specifically, the coverage provided by Medicare Part D plans has experienced an average decrease of 19% from the year 2010 up until 2024. These changes have resulted in higher out-of-pocket expenses and limited access to healthcare services.
Forecasts indicate a potential decline in Tesla's Q2 deliveries, with figures expected to fall between 410,000 and 420,000 vehicles. This prediction arises from worries about consumer demand and registration data originating from Europe and China. However, despite these concerns, analysts propose that investors might shift their attention towards the forthcoming Robo-Taxi event scheduled for August. On the other hand, UBS expresses skepticism about the immediate influence of the Robo-Taxi event on Tesla's share price. Conversely, Susquehanna anticipates possible increases in Tesla's stock value.
Attention is drawn to an alert from Microsoft, indicating that customer emails might have been accessed by a Russian hacking group known as Midnight Blizzard. The technology behemoth is currently probing into the breach, which was initially revealed in January. Among those impacted are state agencies and public universities in Texas. Microsoft wants to reassure that no systems facing customers were compromised, and it remains committed to assisting customers with measures to mitigate the situation.
The forecast for the 2024 North Atlantic hurricane season indicates a high level of activity, which could potentially lead to an increase in property casualty insurance and reinsurance prices. CFRA suggests that this situation may prove beneficial for underwriters' stocks. It is recommended by analysts to consider investing in reinsurers and insurers who have a manageable level of exposure to catastrophes, such as Berkshire Hathaway, American International Group, Progressive, and Arch Capital Group. Additionally, insurance brokers like Arthur J. Gallagher who do not have claims exposure also offer an attractive investment opportunity.
Generative artificial intelligence, or AI, is on the brink of transforming online consumer habits. This includes everything from digital advertising to online dating, as stated by Goldman Sachs. The report indicates that large-scale cloud providers such as Amazon Web Services, Meta, and Google are likely to see the initial benefits. The integration of AI could pave the way for new monetization models and alter online shopping patterns. This could happen with AI assistants guiding consumers directly to specific items. Furthermore, the emergence of apps integrated with AI may change search behaviors and learning platforms.
A decision has been made by a federal judge, rejecting the attempt to obstruct Johnson & Johnson's bankruptcy proposal. This proposal is primarily focused on settling cancer allegations associated with their talc-based baby powder. The healthcare behemoth has suggested a payout of $6.48 billion to be distributed over a span of 25 years. To proceed with this plan, they must obtain consent from at least 75% of the claimants by the date of July 29.
The United States Department of Justice is urging Boeing to acknowledge guilt concerning a criminal charge. This comes after violations of an agreement related to the deadly 737 MAX crashes in the years 2018 and 2019. The plea deal would necessitate Boeing to admit to scheming to deceive the Federal Aviation Administration and agree to an independent safety inspection for a duration of 3 years. Should Boeing decline, it risks facing trial.
Reynolds American, which is a part of British American Tobacco, is introducing Sensa, a device for vaping that does not contain nicotine. The product's launch falls into a regulatory ambiguity because it's not certain whether the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has jurisdiction over vapes that are free from nicotine. With a price tag of $19.99, Sensa will be available for purchase to individuals who are 21 years old or above, and it will be displayed alongside other products containing tobacco that have age restrictions.
Moving towards the second quarter earnings season, the previous week witnessed 8 companies from S&P disclosing their financials. On the contrary side, General Mills reported a substantial revenue shortfall while Walgreens declared store shutdowns amidst mixed outcomes. Looking forward to this week, Constellation Brands is scheduled for reporting. And that's a wrap for today on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay invested. Until next time, keep aiming for those financial goals. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye until we see each other again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.